Pull up on the leather boot to remove the trim. Use pliers to break or stretch the clamp. Unplug the cable from the trim and remove the shifter. Don't forget to remove the old clamp. Remove the collar from the old shifter with a screwdriver. Replace the old shift knob and feed the new cable through. Install the new collar. Note the gap in the collar made for the cable. Push the shift knob hard through the leather boot to allow space for the collar to clamp the leather. Click the new collar into place. This will require some force. If the shift knob button is engaged like this, unlock it with the provided plastic rod. Install the new hose clamp and shift knob. Connect one plug into the trim and the other into the existing cable. Tighten the hose clamp with your screwdriver. Reinstall the trim and click it into place.